Hi people! So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share to you my quick fix when I'm craving for a California Maki, but this is a cheap version which you can buy in the supermarket, and you only have or you only need three ingredients, which is a can of tuna, rice, and a nori wrapper. So that's it. Let's make some sushi roll. Itadakimasu! We get a fresh medium-sized cucumber and you slice it into half and you quartered it and then you cut it into strips. When I finish cutting the cucumber, I get some rice and then I mix the can of tuna into the rice with including the oil of the a little bit oil in the can, and then we assemble it in the nori wrapper. Put as much as you can, or it depends on the size that you want of your tuna roll, and then you put in or insert your cucumber in the middle, and then you slice it and cut it into a maki. And here's the b-roll.